everyone to Tech Hub Academy. Today's lesson is about computer networks, one of the most important topics in ICT. A computer network is what allows computers, phones, and other digital devices to communicate to each other and share information. Without networks, there would be no internet, no email, no WhatsApp, and even no online classes or banking. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand what a network is, why it's important, and the different types of networks that exist. What is a computer network? A computer network is a group of interconnected devices like computers, phones, tablets, or printers that can communicate and share resources like data, files, and internet connections. When two or more computers are connected together to share something, we call that a network. Example: when you send a file from your phone to your laptop via Bluetooth, that's a small network. Larger examples include office networks where all computers connect to the same Wi-Fi to share the internet. Networks can be as small as 2 devices or as big as the entire internet. Main purposes of computer networks. Communication. Networks enable real-time communication through email, instant messaging, and video calls. Example: Zoom meetings or WhatsApp video calls all depend on networks. Data sharing. Networks allows users to share files and transfer information quickly, like sending a document from one office computer to another. Internet access. Networks provide a single point of access to the internet for multiple devices. Several devices can share one internet connection using a router or hotspot. Remote access. Networks allow users to access data, applications, and systems from different locations. This helps you access data from different locations. All this can help organizations collaborate, even if people are in different countries. How are computers connected? Wired connection uses cables like Ethernet to connect devices. Wired networks are usually faster and more secure. Wireless connection, like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, which is more convenient for phones, laptops, and portable devices. Most modern networks use a combination of both wired and wireless connections. Types of computer networks. There are 4 main types of computer networks: personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. Each type differs in size, coverage area, and purpose. Let's go through each one in detail. Personal area network. Personal area network is usually a connection between only 2 devices, usually within a few meters. Example: connecting your smartphone to Bluetooth headphones, or using a USB cable to connect your laptop to your phone. It's the smallest type of network and is often temporary and private. They save time and make it easy to connect personal devices quickly. Local area network. Local area network is a network that connects computers and devices in a limited area, such as a home, school, or office. All devices connected to your home Wi-Fi is an example of local area network. LANs are fast, secure, and allow sharing of files and internet easily. Metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network is a network designed for a town or city. The network that delivers cable television to homes throughout a city is a classic example of a metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network are often owned by internet service providers, ISPs, or local government organizations. Wide area network. Wide area network is the largest computer network that extends over a large geographical distance, often a country or the entire world. The internet is the largest wide area network ever created. Also, a bank's branches and headquarters connected nationwide is an example of a wide area network. Wide area networks use satellites, fiber cables, or mobile networks for communication. Though expensive to set up, wide area networks make global communication possible. Importance of computer networks. Networks enable fast and efficient communication. People can send messages instantly through email, chat, or video calls. A network allows multiple users to share files, allowing people access or edit the same files. Networks allow a central location to store and manage data, which improves data security. Files can be stored in one server for better management. Networks give users access to vast amounts of information for research, like how the internet gives access to global knowledge. Teams can work on the same project simultaneously by accessing shared files and cloud-based platforms. Groups can work together in real time using cloud platforms like Google Drive or Microsoft Teams, enabling them to work on a same project, despite the different locations. Networks also make online learning, e-commerce, and digital banking possible. They have transformed how businesses and schools operate worldwide. Advantages of computer networks: improved communication, facilitates fast and effective communication through methods like emails, chats, and video conferencing, making interaction quick. Data sharing enables quick and easy sharing of files and data and resources easily between users. Centralized storage. Data can be stored in one central location, making it easier to manage, backup, and access. Remote access. Users can access network resources, data, and applications from remote locations, making it easy to access files from anywhere. Enhanced security. Networks implementation of centralized security measures, such as firewalls and access controls to protect data. Disadvantages of computer networks. Complexity. Managing and maintaining a large network is complex and often requires skilled, trained personnel like network administrators. High initial costs. Setting up a network requires significant investment in hardware like routers, hubs, and cabling can be expensive. Single point of failure. The entire network can fail if a critical component, like a central server, crashes. So, if the central server fails, the whole network may go down. Malware propagation. A single infected computer can spread viruses and other malware to all other systems on the network. Viruses can spread quickly from one infected device to others. Congestion. In busy networks, multiple users can lead to congestion, which slows down performance. So too many users on one network can slow a network down. Good network management, antivirus software, and regular maintenance can prevent most of these issues. The benefits of networks still far outweigh the disadvantages when managed properly. Thank you for learning with Tech Hub Academy. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. If you know this video can help someone else, feel free to share it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next lessons, where we'll introduce you to network devices. Follow us on YouTube and TikTok for more tips and lessons. Follow us on Telegram and WhatsApp for the latest news and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.